You're not stuck, you're just comfortable in misery. And that's the most dangerous place you can be. You want money, clarity, energy, peace. But you're living like someone who's already given up. Be honest. How many hours did you scroll today? How many times did you say, I'll start tomorrow? How many excuses are you going to recycle before you finally admit it's not the world holding you back? It's you. You're broke, not because of bad luck, but because you keep choosing comfort over growth. You spend more time crafting playlists than you do your future. You binge YouTube videos about success while ignoring every opportunity to take a step toward it. You don't need another productivity app. You need to stop lying to yourself. You say you're lost? No, you're not lost. You just don't want to take responsibility. You know exactly what needs to be done. But doing it would mean giving up the lazy version of you. And that version is addicted to excuses. You've worn confused like a badge, but really you're just scared of clarity. Because clarity means accountability, and you don't want that smoke. And tired? Yeah, you're tired because you're mentally exhausted from fighting your own potential every single day. You avoid hard conversations. You avoid the gym. You avoid sitting alone in silence with your thoughts. Because deep down, you know you've been playing small, wasting time, wasting talent, wasting life. So here's the truth no one wants to tell you. You're not special for struggling. You're just ordinary until you decide not to be. Your success is hiding behind the things you've been avoiding. Build one skill, fix one habit, wake up 1 hour earlier. You don't need to change everything. You just need to start with one thing and not quit this time. No one's coming to save you. No mentor, no perfect plan. Just you, your mindset, your decisions. That's all you've ever had. And honestly, that's all you need. Now close this video and go become the version of yourself you keep pretending you already are.